How to list your property on Booking.com. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Booking.com and then search for it. With that, it will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, now you can go ahead and log into your account. Click on this option of sign in given over here, provide your credentials and then log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find 3 bars, click on it. Then navigate to the option of list your property. Click on continue. To get started, select the type of property you want to list on Booking.com. Apartment, homes, hotel, alternative places. I have selected apartment for this video. Then select one apartment or multiple apartments and then click on continue. You just have to go through the process, provide the property details and add the payments, and with that you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily list your property on Booking.com. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.